Okay, have you already watched the video for lesson 2? And have you completed your worksheet? You did? Okay. So what you can do for...
Hello. Yes.
Hello, hi. Have you had your dinner?
Yeah, just now.
That's good. Okay. Now, you know how to use the reaction, right? Okay.
Yeah.
So, yeah, you can use thumbs up, thumbs down, all right? Or you can also use tick and cross. I think some of you are very familiar with all this because back in school, you also have your home-based learning, right? So all the Zoom lesson, you'll be using reaction. Cannot imagine, the whole class of maybe 30 plus students all responding to the teacher. Everybody unmute and start talking. Okay, it can be quite messy, right? So it'll be good, because we are getting more and more students. So it'd be good that you try to use the reaction. Okay, so how was the worksheet for you? Easy? Yeah, too easy, right? That's good. Okay, let me just share my screen now. So it'll be good that you have, somebody is showing me his notes. Gordon, you made your own notes? Okay, that's good. Right, this is what you can do to help yourself revise better, study better, understand better also. Okay, so from now on, you can all try this. You can also show me during lesson time. Can you see my screen? Good. Okay, so this week is week 2, right? And then we are having lesson 2. Okay, I know in school it's not week 2, it's week 3. Okay, but for us, it's our second lesson. We are doing reproduction in animals. So since you have already watched the video, it's good. Okay, that means you should have no problem. Okay, answering. Hi, Giselle. I have not said hi to you. Okay, so you should have no problem answering the questions. Okay, if we can.
A few minutes ago.
You came a few minutes ago. Just a while, not that many minutes, because I was just talking a little bit I was talking about Gordon, right? Gordon, he did some notes.
Yeah, because I came in early, but I was waiting for you, and then you didn't add on me yet, so I just
okay. Next time you just wait, because sometimes I can be on a call. Sometimes last minute somebody call me up, and then I will have to pick up the call. Okay, there's one more person in now. All right, we have a bigger class today. Let's see. Hi, Shama. Hi, Shama. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes. Hi, Zihao. Can you turn on your camera? Hi. A very nice top you are wearing. Okay. One more person is in. Okay, just wait a little while, yeah? We have a big class today. Let me just adjust my screen. Okay, who's our new friend here? I cannot see his name. What's your name? KCE. Hello, KCE. I think he is. You have to unmute yourself.
My name is Xue Xian.
Okay. Oh, Jue Xuan, I remember you. Okay, Jue Xuan, you're on your way home, am I right?
Yes.
Okay, okay. All right. You can mute yourself now. So later you rename yourself, okay?
Okay.
Right. So I'm going to start soon. Okay, you just try your best to pay attention to what I'm going through. Okay. Janisha has a question. I did my worksheet, but my mom downloaded it, so I do. Okay. All right. Can. Janisha, you did your worksheet. It's the downloaded one. Is that right?
Yes, teacher.
Yeah, it's fine. No worries, because we are going through all the questions. Okay. And then you just check your answers accordingly. Yeah. I think the most important thing is, okay, I said this actually in the last lesson, lesson 1. Okay, it's about how you answer the question. Sometimes you do not answer fully, so you don't get the full marks. Yeah, so it's important that you make sure you answer your whatever question fully. Yunshan is here. Okay, so the question that is being asked, so a lot of times students will answer the first part and ignore the second part, or they answer the first part and they thought that they also answered the second part, but they did not elaborate on the answer.
Okay, teacher.
Okay, right, good. Hi, Yunshan. Hello. Have you had your dinner, Yunshan? Not yet. Okay, are you hungry? Do you need to quickly grab a bite? Okay, if you need to, yeah, there are a lot of students today, right? If you need to grab a bite, it's okay. All right, I don't want you to go hungry. If you really, really feel hungry, you need to grab a bite, it's fine. Can? Just let me know. Giselle, you log into account, is it? Is that right, Giselle? I can see 2 names here. Okay, 1 is out. All right, so I think I should be able to start. Yep, it's very, very good that we have so many students. Okay, that means that a lot of you will be contributing answers, etc. Okay, that'll be fun. All right, but then we have to also limit the number of times you'll just unmute and start talking. Okay, there'll be time where we can discuss. Okay, because this is a very active class. For those of you who are here the first time today, this is quite an active class. Everybody loves sharing their answers, and I like it that way too. Okay, but try not to, unmute yourself and start talking while somebody else is talking. Okay, we will take turns. All right, now let's come back to our lesson. Okay. So before we start, have you watched the video, completed the worksheet? Most of you earlier on, you already told me you did, and that is very important. You should have watched the first video, the second video, okay? And for today, you should have completed worksheet 2. All right? How many of you have not?
I have not completed it.
Just no excuse, you know that you're supposed to complete, right?
Teacher, I don't have the. I don't know how to on the video.
I see. Okay. Maybe after the lesson today, you can ask your mom or your dad to give the admin a call.
I cannot do the worksheet because my father haven't downloaded it yet.
I see. Okay.
Excuse me.
Now,
Excuse me.
who is talking now? Those of you who are not,
Me,
you can actually mute yourself, okay? Or maybe I will mute for you. Okay. Now, so what you do is, okay, children, starting from today, can you make sure you try to finish up your work? Yeah, before the next lesson. So today is Tuesday, right? I would like it if you can actually do your work over the weekend. I think it's better. And weekend, your parents should be free also to help you. Can, Giselle, you try that? All right. So later I will meet your parents at about 8:55. If it's slightly earlier, 8:50 is good also. Okay. And then next Tuesday, okay, hold on. Yeah. Gordon, hold on. Next Tuesday is a public holiday. It's Chinese New Year break. So we do not have lesson in the evening. You will join the class on the Sunday instead. Okay, this is a Sunday morning, 9 a.m. You should have already received the schedule also. Yes or no? Okay, check with your mom. Yes, we have a few questions. I think just now, Gordon raised the hand, right? So Gordon first, then after that, Yun Xuan.
So just wondering, do I have to download or print? Because when I do 88 tuition, the live lesson thing, I just do the worksheet there. Like I just click worksheet and then I do. Do I have to download?
Fine. Yeah, you don't have to download. It's fine if you want to do it there. Okay, it's just that during lesson, it might be a little bit disruptive, you know, when you are switching screens, unless you have two screens to work with. Is it okay? Can? Right. So some of you said your parents are not around this evening. It's fine. Don't worry. Sam has swimming lesson, is it? Sam, you mean Sunday. Okay. Then you can watch the recorded lesson. All right, Sam, Giselle?
So my parents have received the message that it'll be on 29th January, 9 a.m.
They should have received it. But anyway, now you know you're going to inform your parents. Is it okay? You will have to do the job to inform your parents about this. So lesson 3 is actually on 29th of January. Okay, you must record down, every one of you record it down and remind your parents or let your parents know. Lakshmi, hello. Welcome. I hope you have taken your dinner. Now, since you have already watched the video, okay, I can't be the one talking all the time. Now, I want you to share with everyone. Share with everyone what you know about video 1 and video 2. So I'm not limiting you to only video 2. Okay, you can also share what we have learned last lesson as well. Only 2 things. Easy, right? So when you are typing in the chat box, okay, can you share it with everybody? Are you able to share with everybody when you type in the chat box? Cannot, is it? Okay, never mind. Then you type. Not, is it? Okay, never mind. Then you type and send to me. Gordon, you cannot unmute. I noticed that the moment you unmute, right, we hear 2 voices, okay? Like an echo. It's my voice again, you know. So Gordon, when you want to unmute, you have to let me know. Okay, thank you. Now I'm having the responses come in. I will be reading out. So recall what you have learned last week, as well as video 2. Someone raise hand, is it? I can't see the hand raised. Where is it? Good, thank you. All the responses are coming in. Characteristics, okay. So you talk about characteristics. Yeah, it's passed down. Right? So you can think of, what is the meaning of having these characteristics, or we also call it character traits, being passed down from the parents to the children. We can also call children offspring. Okay. Some of you are giving examples now. Very good. Right. Okay. Talk about reproductive system. reproductive parts, and then reproductive